I know how frustrating it can be to deal with a dry scalp while also having oily hair. I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste your money on the wrong shampoo. Let me share my honest experiences with you.
Product number 1. Nizoral Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. My journey with Nizoral Anti-Dandruff Shampoo started when I noticed my scalp getting itchier and flakier. I had tried multiple products, but nothing seemed to work. That's when I decided to give Nizoral a shot. The first thing I noticed was its fresh scent, which made the experience much more pleasant than I anticipated. Using it was simple. I lathered it up, let it sit for a few minutes, and then rinsed it out. The instructions said to use it twice a week, which felt manageable. After just a few washes, I started to see a significant difference. The itching subsided and the flakes were drastically reduced. I felt more confident, especially when wearing darker clothes. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Nizoral is clinically proven and contains 1% ketoconazole, a powerful ingredient that targets the root cause of dandruff. It's gentle enough for color-treated hair, which means I didn't need to worry about my highlights fading. On the downside, some users may find it a bit drying if used too frequently. It's also on the pricier side compared to regular shampoos, but I think it's worth it for the results. So why should you buy Nizoral? If you're struggling with dandruff, this shampoo doesn't just mask the symptoms, it gets to the root of the problem. My experience has shown me that it's effective, and I believe it could help you too.
Product number 2. CeraVe Gentle Hydrating Shampoo. When I first tried CeraVe Gentle Hydrating Shampoo, I was curious about how a product could be both hydrating and effective for oily hair. My scalp often feels dry, but my hair can become greasy quickly. After just one wash, I was impressed. The formula is sulfate-free and designed for sensitive scalps, which is a huge plus. The moment I applied it, I could feel the hydration. It lathered nicely, and the unscented formula was a relief. I appreciate a good fragrance, but sometimes less is more, especially for sensitive skin. After rinsing, my hair felt clean without that stripped feeling. I noticed my scalp felt balanced, not dry or overly oily. Pros include its gentle ingredients like ceramides and niacinamide, which help maintain the scalp's moisture barrier. It's also pH balanced, which is crucial for preventing irritation. The only con I found was that it might not be effective for very oily scalps, as it doesn't deeply clarify. Why buy CeraVe? If you're looking for something that hydrates while cleansing without harsh ingredients, this is for you. It's great for anyone with sensitive skin or those who want a gentle yet effective shampoo.
Product number 3. Tea Tree Special Shampoo. I stumbled upon Tea Tree Special Shampoo while searching for a product that could invigorate my scalp and help with oiliness. The moment I opened the bottle, I was greeted with that unmistakable tea tree scent. It felt refreshing and energizing, making my shower feel like a mini spa experience. When applying it, I noticed it lathered beautifully. The unique formula not only cleansed, but also left my scalp feeling cool and tingly, which I found incredibly refreshing. After rinsing, my hair felt light and bouncy, and my scalp was noticeably clearer. I didn't experience any dryness, which is often a concern with deep cleansing shampoos. On the pros side, the invigorating scent is a major highlight, making each wash feel therapeutic. Its ability to refresh the scalp and combat oiliness is impressive. However, for those with extremely dry hair, it might be too clarifying. In summary, if you're looking for a refreshing experience that tackles oily roots, Tea Tree Special Shampoo is a solid choice. It's effective for all hair types and can make your hair care routine feel luxurious. Product number 4. Neutrogena Exfoliating Healthy Scalp Shampoo. I decided to try Neutrogena's Exfoliating Healthy Scalp Shampoo after hearing about its clarifying benefits. Initially, I was drawn to the pink grapefruit scent, which sounded delightful. When I used it for the first time, I was struck by how refreshing it felt. The creamy consistency was easy to work through my hair, and it lathered nicely. After rinsing, I could immediately feel the difference. My scalp felt lighter, and the buildup I often experienced was gone. The formula is designed to clarify and exfoliate, which made my hair shine like never before. I also appreciated that it's sulfate, paraben, and phthalate-free, which means it's kinder to my hair in the long run. In terms of pros, this shampoo really does clarify and remove residue, leaving my hair feeling clean and shiny. However, it might not be the best option for those with dry or brittle hair, as the exfoliating action can be a bit harsh if used too frequently. So, why should you give this a go? If you're struggling with product buildup and want a fresh start for your hair, Neutrogena's Exfoliating Healthy Scalp Shampoo is worth trying. It's effective and gives your hair that much-needed shine.
Product number 5. Tea Tree Special Shampoo, Premium Version. I wanted to see if the premium version of Tea Tree Special Shampoo lived up to the hype. With a higher price tag, I expected a transformative experience. Upon using it, I found that it had all the invigorating benefits of the original, but with a richer lather and a more luxurious feel. The scent was even more pronounced, which I loved. The formula worked wonders on my oily scalp. It felt like a deep clean, but not in a harsh way. After rinsing, my hair felt revitalized and full of life. I noticed fewer oily patches and a much healthier scalp. The pros of this premium version includes its ability to deeply cleanse while maintaining moisture in the hair. However, the price point might deter some, especially if you're on a budget. If you're serious about treating your scalp and want a shampoo that feels like a spa treatment, this premium Tea Tree Special Shampoo is a worthy investment.